So this is a pre-plucked natural 360 lace wig. Natural meaning it has a natural hairline. It is in 22 inches and it came with the baby hairs, but I'm not a baby hair type person. Like, I will pull a couple of the baby hairs from my natural hairline, but I don't really care for the hairs that come on the units because it just don't look natural, to me. Okay, I would prefer to use my own baby hairs opposed to the hairs that come on the hairline, even though you can kind of like, trim it and shape it to make it look a little more realistic. I just still think it looks kind of shady. Just think it has y'all looking a little suspect in them streets because somebody look at it and be like, oh, that's a wig, because they know your baby hair don't lay and curl like that. I am actually in love with the density of this hair. Like, I would love to see, what it would look like if I try pulling it up in a ponytail or a half up, half down style. But for right now, I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out the box. I think I am the most impressed by the hairline on this unit. It is really undetectable, you guys. And if I would go ahead and put this cap on right, you really wouldn't be able to see this hairline at all. And the most important part to let you guys know is this unit is very affordable, and I can tell you just right now, it's the perfect quality. Right now, this particular unit is on sale for $119, which is actually a really good deal. Like, it's actually a steal for the quality of this hair. So the best thing about MissBuy.com is their refund policy, because they have like a 30-day no reason refund policy, so you can return the unit within 30 days. I don't think you can cut the lace off, just let that be said, but you have 30 days to return the unit. They offer free shipping, full refund if you do not receive the unit in the mail for any reason. They also offer full or partial refunds if the item is not as described. So how can you lose by ordering from this company? Like, I think that is pretty awesome, because a lot of companies don't offer refund policies or have a return policy like that, and I think that's great. So this is Brazilian virgin hair, and it is in a body wave texture, as you can see. Haven't done anything to it. You can really do whatever you want to do to this hair. You can color it, you can straighten it, you can flat iron. Straightening and flat iron is the same thing, Shakia. Get your life together. I personally just love it as is. I don't think I would do anything to this hair because it is the perfect texture and it is the perfect everything. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of drop in and give you guys a quick review on this unit from MissBuy.com and let you know that it was $19. Girl, I wish. It's $119. I know y'all was like, girl, sign me up. I do have a discount code for you guys if you want to receive a percentage off. Just read the description box. I know y'all don't want to read. Some of y'all don't like to read. We're going to be great out here in these streets in 2018, okay? And I wouldn't lie to you, girl. If it felt like baby raccoon, sheep fur, or something like that, I would have told you, like, y'all don't buy, okay? Stay far away. But this hair does not. It feels like it's real. It's the real deal. And it's a really good price. So go check it out, MissBuy.com, and tell them your girl Shakira and they sent you by using the coupon code. Alright, boos, until we meet again, I'm going to play in my pretty wig until I fall asleep. And I am so exhausted. Like, I've recorded like 3 videos in one night. I am going for the record. All right, loves, until next time, adios, peace out, and goodbye.